Hey y'all, Scarlett here, and we are at Deep Creek ATV Park. Never been here before, but it seems like a pretty cool place, so we're going to check it out and show you what we see.
Snorkel required. As far as busyness, it's almost closing time on Sunday. They close roughly 6 p.m. on Sundays, and it's Easter Sunday, so there may be lower amount of people here because it's a holiday. That sign says the corner spot, I think. They also have a few porta potties around, but they have oh, that might be the wash pit there. I don't know. Well, there's a hose, but it's back behind us now. But it was all mud, so I don't know if it was or not. It might just be a hose. But there is an actual bathhouse, which is actually, compared to the one at Busco Beach, I would say it's pretty nice. Clearly a lot newer, although I did hear that Busco redid theirs, but we have not been since then, so take that with a grain of salt. They have, I think, 8 RV hookups. Is that a little outdoor grill over there? Looks like, maybe. The bathhouse. Yeah, that's fine. They have a food truck. They're working on building a stage for outdoor concerts. That's the gatehouse up there. Welcome to Deep Creek.
I guess this is alright to go display it. basically this and the parking lot's about it for us. I mean, unless I'm just missing something totally. This is the only kind of riding you can do that isn't constantly coming up on some bog or something. I came out here to trail ride, not constantly having to be you get stuck or whatever. I don't know what the deal is. This is not the impression I was under when we looked at this place online. I mean, this right here is the most solid ground out here. This in the parking lot. I don't mind the sand, but and then it goes beyond that, and you've got these big old holes that basically somebody told you when you come in that front office thing, that chances are if you see a hole, you're better off trying to go around it. Problem is, a lot of places you can't get around them, and even if there is a go around path, and you got something like if you don't have enough ground clearance, somebody's routed that out, well then that's a problem. All right.